Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today, the spotlight is on a truly captivating piece of decor, the vintage typewriter model. This isn't just any ornament. It's a meticulously handcrafted iron creation designed to infuse a touch of timeless nostalgia into any setting. From the moment one lays eyes on it, the robust quality of its high-strength iron construction is evident, promising not just beauty, but also remarkable durability. This is a piece built to last, ensuring its charm endures for years to come, becoming a long-lasting fixture in any chosen environment. The allure of this retro typewriter building set lies in its ability to transport observers back to an era of classic elegance and thoughtful communication. It serves as a wonderful conversation starter, inviting curiosity and admiration from guests. Imagine this exquisite piece gracing a bookshelf in a cozy home, adding character to a professional office desk, inspiring creativity in an artist's studio, or even enhancing the inviting ambience of a local cafe. Its versatility is truly one of its strongest attributes, allowing it to seamlessly blend with diverse interior design themes, from industrial chic to rustic charm, or even a more contemporary space seeking a unique focal point. What makes this vintage typewriter model particularly special is its broad appeal. While adults will undoubtedly appreciate its intricate details and nostalgic value, it's also designed for kids aged 6 and up. This suggests it can spark imagination, perhaps inspiring young minds to ponder the history of writing, or simply serving as a fascinating, tactile object to explore. It's a decorative ornament that transcends age, offering something for everyone who encounters it. The handcrafted nature means each piece possesses a unique character, a subtle variation that speaks to the artisan's touch, making every model a distinct work of art. This iron decor piece is more than just an object. It's an experience, a statement. It doesn't just fill a space, it enriches it, adding depth and personality. For anyone looking to elevate their home, office, studio, or cafe with an item that combines historical charm with modern craftsmanship, this vintage typewriter model presents itself as an exceptional choice. Its ability to evoke a sense of the past while standing strong in the present makes it an invaluable addition to any collection of decorative ornaments. It truly stands out as a testament to enduring design and quality.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.